Honey garlic spare ribs are inspired by a popular Chinese side rib dish. It is pretty much the same flavor except instead of side ribs, I am using spare ribs. These are incredibly easy and can be done in 1 hour. Ingredients needed to prepare honey garlic ribs. 1 kilogram spare ribs, 1/4 cup brown sugar, 2 tablespoon water, 10 cloves garlic minced, 1/4 cup honey, 2½ tablespoon soy sauce, 1/2 cup water to garnish, 1/2 cup crispy garlic bits. How to prepare honey garlic spare ribs. 1. Cut spare ribs into their individual bones. 2. Throw them into a pot of boiling water for 5 minutes and strain. This will remove a lot of the scum that come from cutting bone at the butcher. 3. In a wok or deep pan, melt brown sugar with water over medium heat. The water helps evenly melt the sugar without it burning. 4. Once the sugar is fully dissolved, add the blanched spare ribs into the wok along with minced garlic. Stir and mix for 1 minute. 5. Add honey, soy sauce, and water. The water should only need to cover about half of the ribs. 6. Cover with a lid, then let it simmer on low for 30 to 45 minutes or until tender. I will usually taste test after 30 minutes, and if the meat is tender and comes off the bone easily, I know it's done. 7. Once the ribs are tender, remove the lid and turn up the heat to high. Let the sauce simmer for 5 minutes or until thick and glossy to your liking. 8. Garnish with crispy garlic bits and enjoy.